To the faves? Well, it's not morning, it's afternoon.
Afternoon.
Say afternoon faves.
Afternoon.
But of course I'm gonna do it the real Delaveaus way. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's afternoon for us and we're just starting the vlog because we've been home just lounging around all day. I know I would start the vlog late today because I know I would have a busy afternoon, evening, so that's why I deliberately didn't pick up the camera this morning. I give my baby a haircut this morning. He's looking super handsome. Anyway, you guys, how you guys doing? We are doing well. I am not doing too bad today. This morning was okay until I was about to leave home and start feeling just some light contractions, but nothing too much like in the week, nothing compared to in the week. So the past few days have been getting better where the contractions are concerned. But your girl is here. Look at her poking out in her neon today. I'll show you guys my dress. I have this dress for quite some time. I remember the last time I wore this dress, I was 3 months pregnant with Ty.
I was wear it since?
I haven't worn it since. I was 3 months pregnant with Ty because it's kind of a big dress, so it's perfect for pregnancy. We're on the road going to run some errands. I need a bag of dirt for my flower pot at home because I want to plant some fresh flowers from another pot. I want to transfer them, so we're going to make a stop to get that, and then we're going to go to the sports store to find a life jacket kind of thing for Ty, because the one that he had from last year, we don't know where it is and we don't know where to look, and we don't have a lot of things, so it should be within our reach, and that's not happening. So we're gonna have to get a new one because he's been asking to go to the beach and the pool lately, and we can't because I won't bring him unless he have the thing to make him safe, and Tyler love water, so he'll just jump. So we definitely have to go get that today, and then my mission after that is to go and film a cute little reveal for you guys of baby girl name, because in this week's vlog, yes baby,
and the name Sarah in your room.
Okay. In this week's vlog, I sneak peeked her name, and a lot of you guys pick it up and a lot of you guys missed it, because if you blink you missed it literally. So it's only fair, though we weren't ready, I think it's only fair for us to go ahead and just do the reveal. So by the time you guys will see this vlog, her name reveal vlog would already be up. So if you guys don't see her name reveal, you can go ahead and check it out. So we're gonna film her name reveal after we do these little errands that we want, and then we're gonna get food for dinner and stay on the beach for a while. So this vlog should be very eventful and fun. So if it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe, catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And hit that thumbs up button.
We are here to the supermarket and then we're gonna go to the beach.
Yes. So Tyler pack his toys and we're heading out to have a good evening. Anyway, you guys, stay loved, stay blessed. Hopefully you guys are having good weather where you are, enjoying this beautiful day, whatever time of the day you guys are watching. Love you guys. And now we're getting out of this car. Tyler in his Jamaica hat. You ready to go? All right, let's go. Come on. Voila. Wait, let's show Fibs our outfit of the day. Look, show Fibs. Go ahead, mommy. The breeze wanna make my dress go woo and expose me.
Woo too.
You want it to go woo too. Hello, handsome.
Mama, look, I see 3-0.
That means there's no more parking down there. That's why. Turn around or else you're gonna fall. Turn around. What is it? Take up your hat.
No, baby sister.
Your hat fell. Take it off. Go find one of those. Go tie. It was the same one you have. Good job. And then your honey. And in here. Voila. That's what Mama gonna have to well, Papa, because I'll be out of breath. So we're gonna blow here and here and here, okay? So that you'll be safe when you get in the water. Okay? Okay? So we are at the beach trying to do the name reveal for you guys, so you guys can see. So Tyler and Babe trying to find stones. They are right here. And then we're gonna write out her name on here so you guys can see. Tyler enjoying throwing back the stones in the water after the name reveal. We did it! Yay! One more to go!
Não.
You're too close. You're too close. Out. Out. Yay. Look, Ty, tell Favs what his baby sister name. Shout it out loud.
Delaveaus.
Yay. So there you guys have baby girl name reveal, and her name is Sarah Leah Delaveaus, and it's not Sarah, it's Sarah. Sarah. Alright, you guys, we are going to, alright, we're going to do a picnic of pizza. We're going to go pick up some pizza for dinner, and I think we're going to come right back to the beach and enjoy our pizza. So hopefully you guys are now satisfied with baby girl name reveal, and hopefully you guys love her name. We super love it, and I'll tell you guys later how we go about choosing that name and why it's perfect for her. You know, you guys. See you guys at pizza eating. And as usual, you guys, our cheesy bread. We took 2 this time, and we killed this one already, and we're gonna kill this one. I'll show you guys the pizza when I reach home. There's too many things in my hand. What did you say? Very good. So 4 boxes, right? It's yummy. The cheese bread yummy. You like it? All right. Yeah, more. And of course, nothing changes. There goes our pizza.
It is onion. Show me with this onion.
Oh, look at my stomach.
The stomach big like a...
Oh, you guys, we're just coming on to end this vlog, and now we can stop saying baby girl because you guys officially know her name. Babe have a lot to do with her choosing her first name. It wasn't easy choosing her name as we chose Tyler's name.
It was hard. I mean, hard in terms of we couldn't be
we couldn't decide together on the same.
And what I chose, and she didn't wanted it, and what she chose, I didn't wanted it. And Sarah originally wanted to be like the middle name.
Yeah, we had find the middle name as
that was
Sarah.
The middle name,
right?
But then we couldn't find the first name, and then
Right.
after we said, okay, let's agree to upgrade.
We couldn't find the first name. We had Sarah for the middle name for the longest time. We couldn't find the first name, and one day we just went at it and find Leah. But Leah Sarah just didn't sound right. Like Sarah Leah.
It's not that it didn't, it's just that
the combination when you say
not even the combination, just also when I wanted just without
Babe
dropping
also
the
didn't
Sarah.
want the Leah as first name, and I wanted to choose the name where we connect together and we
that was
we
just sound
agree
like
together.
something was missing. And thank you, I mean, we were reading all of the names that you gave us. We write all of them on the piece of paper,
nothing hits.
And we just slowly eliminate. It was like 5-10. I don't know if you remember the name that was remain. So it was like 5-10 name, and slowly we drop. But yeah, all of the name are like 99% of the name coming from your suggestion,
right?
And we just chop it slowly to
right. And a
to
few of
keep
you
that.
did say Sarah, and we wanted also to choose the Sarah with the H on it. That was important for us, and I just love to hear when Babe and Tyler says her name with their French accent. It makes me feel satisfied in comparison to when we had chose Tyler's name, and then after he was born and already named Tyler, and I heard French people saying it, I'm like, oh, what have I done to my kid? But no, they're getting it. But the Sarah, it just sounds perfect. She won't have a problem growing up with the only thing with some English speakers, especially some of my friends so far, say Sarah. I have to correct them that no, it's not Sarah, you guys, it's Sarah. Get it together, get it right. So yeah, after pizza we went to chill. No, I'm talking after I showed them the pizza footage when we were home. We chilled for the rest of the evening. We didn't do anything.
I'm trying to
just rest.
Yeah, was a game on TV. Maybe I watch. Yeah, that was fun. Play yesterday. I watched football on TV. They play terrible.
Alright, you guys, so we just wanted to give you guys a little idea of how we went about choosing our name, but it wasn't easy choosing our name. So now you guys have it. Now you guys saw us reveal it, and hopefully you guys love the reveal. If you guys haven't seen the reveal video, it would have been out 2 days before this vlog, so you can go ahead and watch it and go back to a vlog from last week to see where you missed the sneak peek. A vlog that is called preparing last minute things for baby girl. There's a sneak peek in there. You can go back and look at that vlog and see where you missed her name. A lot of you guys saw it, but a lot of you guys missed it. Anyway, you guys, we're just gonna sign off here. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. By the time you guys see this, would have 3 weeks to go. Crazy. Would have 3 weeks or less to go for Miss Sarah to come. And by the way, we weren't into the whole meaning of the name thing. We just wanted a name that hits, and it's after we chose the name we realized that Sarah does mean princess. So how much more perfect could the name be? Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with us, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is going to be a fun vlog of Babe speaking to me in French for 24 hours. You don't want to miss that. See you guys tomorrow.
Demain.